Hi everybody, here we're going to look at how to enter scientific notation into Excel, and we have three examples. So in the first one we have 17,000. So in typical scientific notation that would be 1.7 times 10 and then raised to 4. But Excel can't read scientific notation that way, so what you'll do is the 10 raised to, you're just going to replace that with the letter E. So then this would become 1.7 in Excel, 1.7 E4. And when you hit enter, it shows you right there that Excel is able to read that number. Let's look at another one. Here we have 2,450,000. So this would be 2.45 and then times 10 raised to 6. But Excel can't read this. So what you'll do is again replace 10 raised to, replace this thing here, 10 raised to, with the letter E. So then that would become 2.54 E6. And the number automatically gets read by Excel. And so now let's do another one. So the last one, 0.006 in typical scientific notation, that would be 6 times 10 and then raised to the -3. But again, Excel can't read that. So what you'll do is replace 10 raised to with E. So then this will become 6E minus 3. And then press enter. So whenever you want to enter a scientific notation into Excel, make sure that you replace 10 raised to with E. So that's the quick way to do that. There is a longer way if you ever want to try it, but this is the way I suggest. But the other way is just you can't actually use 10 raised to, but you have to start with an equal sign first. So let's look at some example. Like for example, this one, if I do an equal sign, it changes to a number that Excel is able to read, and start this one with an equal sign, it also changes it to a number that you can read. So the basic idea is that the quickest way is just to replace 10 raised to with the letter E, but you can also do it this other way.